This is practice test 3 of the Salesforce Agentforce Specialist practice test series. 10 questions. Pick your answer before the reveal. Let us see how well you know this. Question 1. Universal Containers wants to enable its sales team to get insights into product and competitor names mentioned during calls. How should UC meet this requirement? Option A. Enable Einstein Conversation Insights, enable sales recording, assign permission sets, and customize insights with up to 50 products. Option B. Enable Einstein Conversation Insights, connect a recording provider, assign permission sets, and customize insights with up to 25 products. Option C. Enable Einstein Conversation Insights, assign permission sets, define recording managers, and customize insights with up to 50 competitor names. Pay close attention to the numbers and the steps listed. The correct answer has a specific setup sequence and specific limits. The correct answer is B. Enable Einstein Conversation Insights, connect a recording provider, assign permission sets, and customize insights with up to 25 products. Einstein Conversation Insights requires connecting a recording provider, not just enabling sales recording. The product tracking limit is 25, not 50. These specific details are commonly tested on the exam. Question 2. What is a valid use case for data cloud retrievers? Option A. Modifying and updating data within the source systems connected to data cloud. Option B. Grounding data from external websites to augment a prompt with RAG. Option C. Returning relevant data from the vector database to augment a prompt. Retrievers are read-only by nature. Think about what their actual job is in the RAG pipeline. The correct answer is C. Returning relevant data from the vector database to augment a prompt. Data cloud retrievers are designed to query the vector database and return the most semantically relevant chunks of data to augment a prompt. They do not modify source data and they do not pull from external websites. Question 3. Universal Containers wants to reduce overall customer support handling time by minimizing the time spent typing routine answers for common questions in chat, and reducing post-chat analysis by suggesting values for case fields. Which combination of Agentforce for Service features enables this effort? Option A. Einstein. Reply, recommendations, and case classification. Option B. Einstein. Reply recommendations and case summaries. Option C. Einstein service. Replies and work summaries. Match each part of the requirement to the right feature. Typing routine answers and suggesting field values. The correct answer is A. Einstein. Reply recommendations and case classification. Einstein Reply Recommendations helps agents respond to chat messages quickly by suggesting relevant replies, reducing typing time. Case classification uses AI to suggest values for case fields, reducing the post-chat data entry effort. These two features together address both requirements in the question. Question 4. In a knowledge-based data library configuration, what is the primary difference between the identifying fields and the content fields? Option A. Identifying fields highlight key terms for relevance scoring, while content fields store the full text of the article for retrieval. Option B. Identifying fields categorize articles for indexing purposes, while content fields provide a brief summary for display. Option C. Identifying fields help locate the correct knowledge article, while content fields enrich AI responses with detailed information. Think about the purpose of each field type in the context of retrieval and response generation. The correct answer is C. Identifying fields help locate the correct knowledge article, while content fields enrich AI responses with detailed information. Identifying fields are used to match and locate the right articles during retrieval, while content fields are what the LLM actually reads to construct its response. They serve different roles in the overall grounding process. Question 5. Universal Containers wants to make a sales proposal and directly use data from multiple unrelated objects, both standard and custom, in a prompt template. How should UC accomplish this? Option A. Create a prompt, template triggered flow to access the data from standard and custom objects. Option B. Create a flex template to add resources with standard and custom objects as inputs. Option C. Create a prompt template passing in a special custom object that connects the records temporarily. Which template type is built to handle multiple unrelated data sources as inputs? The correct answer is B. Create a flex template to add resources with standard and custom objects as inputs. The Flex template is the only template type in Prompt Builder that allows multiple unrelated objects to be added as resources and passed into the prompt as inputs. This flexibility makes it suited for complex use cases like multi-object sales proposals. Question 6. What should universal containers consider when deploying an Agentforce service agent with multiple topics and agent actions to production? Option A. Deploy agent components without a test run in staging, relying on production data for reliable results. Sandbox configuration alone ensures seamless production deployment. Option B. Ensure all dependencies are included. Apex classes meet 75% test coverage, and configuration settings are aligned with production. Plan for version management and post-deployment activation. Option C. Deploy flows or Apex after agents, topics, and agent actions to avoid deployment failures and potential production agent issues requiring complete redeployment. Think about the full deployment checklist. What does a responsible production deployment look like? The correct answer is B. Ensure all dependencies are included. Apex classes meet 75% test coverage, and configuration settings are aligned with production. Plan for version management and post-deployment activation. A proper deployment of an Agentforce service agent requires checking all dependencies, meeting Apex code coverage requirements, aligning configuration settings to the production environment, and planning for post-deployment steps like activating the agent. Question 7. Universal Containers plans to enhance its sales team's productivity using AI. Which specific requirement necessitates the use of Prompt Builder? Option A. Creating an estimated customer lifetime value with historical purchase data. Option B. Creating a draft newsletter for an upcoming trade show. Option C. Predicting the likelihood of customers churning or discontinuing their relationship with the company. Prompt Builder is for generating text-based content. Which of these options is a text generation task? The correct answer is B. Creating a draft newsletter for an upcoming trade show. Prompt Builder is designed for generating text content using LLMs. Drafting a newsletter is a text generation task and fits exactly what Prompt Builder does. Customer lifetime value estimation and churn prediction are data modeling or analytics tasks, which belong to Einstein Analytics or AI models, not Prompt Builder. Question 8. How does an agent respond when it cannot understand the request or find any requested information? Option A. With a pre-configured message based on the action type. Option B. With a generated error message. Option C. With a general message asking the user to rephrase the request. This is about the fallback behavior built into Agentforce when the agent has no matching topic or action. The correct answer is A, with a pre-configured message based on the action type. When an agent cannot match the user's request to any topic or action, it responds with a pre-configured fallback message. This message is set up in the agent configuration and is based on the action type, ensuring the response is controlled and appropriate rather than an unpredictable generated error. Question 9. Universal Containers is using Agentforce for Sales to find similar opportunities to help close deals faster. The team wants to understand the criteria used by the agent to match opportunities. What is one criterion that Agentforce for Sales uses to match similar opportunities? Option A. Matched opportunities are limited to the same account. Option B. Matched opportunities have a status of closed won from the last 12 months. Option C. Matched opportunities were created in the last 12 months. Think specifically about what similar means in the context of Agentforce for Sales' opportunity matching logic. The correct answer is B. Matched opportunities have a status of closed won from the last 12 months. The Find Similar Opportunities action in Agentforce for Sales specifically matches against closed won opportunities from the last 12 months. This ensures reps are comparing their open deals to actual wins, not just any recently created opportunity. Question 10. The sales team at a hotel resort would like to generate a guest summary about the guest's interests and provide recommendations based on their activity preferences captured in each guest profile. They want the summary to be available only on the contact record page. Which AI capability should the team use? Option A, Agent Builder. Option B, Model Builder. Option C, Prompt Builder. The summary needs to appear on a specific record page. Which tool generates record-level AI content displayed on a page layout? The correct answer is C, Prompt Builder. Prompt Builder is the tool for generating AI content that appears on specific record pages. A record summary prompt template can be configured to generate personalized guest summaries and display them on the contact record page. Agent Builder is for conversational agents, and Model Builder is for custom predictive models. Practice test 3 done. How is your running total looking across all 3 tests? Drop it in the comments. Practice test 4 is next in the playlist. Keep going.